Okay, this is a review of the Alfawise remote with keypad from China, the black version, English version, so the UK keyboard. So basically this is the box, this is what you get with it. Not much, the essentials though, with the USB charging cable. You got the multi-language instruction manual, which I don't think got much in it. The basics, how to charge, where the dongle is, so on. So basically it comes in this polystyrene type wallet, and this is basically it. It's light, but build seems fine. The best thing is the dongle. You open this, and the back of the door is the dongle. Quite ingenious. And you've got a lithium-ion battery. Can't see it properly there, but promises lithium-ion. So if I take the dongle out, close that. So you have the normal QWERTY keyboard. F keys along the top, escape, tab, function keys. So it's more of a Windows type keyboard, and you've got the trackpad, and you have the volume up and down keys, home and end keys, Internet Explorer. So it's more of a Windows key, but it can be used for Android. At the top you've got the on switch, charging port, and you have left and right keys for some bizarre reason, which is probably more for gaming. So I'll plug it in and see you then. Right, this is part 2. Just to let you know, switched on the keyboard. Goes into standby mode if you don't use it, but this is the interesting feature which people are after. So you press that, so it's not just you get the one coloured keypad. If you keep pressing the key, you get the various different combinations going from off, red, green, blue. So I'll stick with blue. So I will use this on the screen. So I'm using it on an Android B-Link box. So as I use it, I will show you the response. So this is the response, which is fairly decent. So what am I going to do now is I will go on to the Play Store. Let's see what the keyboard functionality is. So I don't know, let's just search for the word games. Press the enter key, see if that does anything. It actually does do a search, which is really good. So the trackpad's fine as well. The volume key, it does actually work. There you go. Up, down, volume key. Forward, back, which is not applicable. It's sort of for movies. Yeah, so all round good keyboard and a definite buy. So that's the end of the review. That's your keyboard. And that's it. Thank you.